Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but I've got my celery in the dehydrator. Okay, we're gonna check in on that in the morning. um, we'll check in on it in the morning, so I'll probably put that video up tomorrow. Meanwhile, my van. Again, that noise I'm hearing is from my front left tire, the one that's caused me so many problems in the last, couple, 6 months. So I said, I have had work on that done on the front end, till I'm blue in the face. And I said, I don't know why. He said, well, did they change the rotors? And I said, no, I don't think they did. I can't be sure about that because I don't remember everything, So I'm hoping my sister, I think she has all the paperwork because, she paid for it. I got to pay her back. So, I'm hoping she has the paperwork to tell me exactly what they did to the van. Okay, because if they did the rotor there, we're going to have some problems. We are going to have some problems because I've had my struts done, my tie rods done, my calipers done, new brake pads. So I don't know what else it could be, So Ben is going to look at it when they get back from Tennessee. We're going to put it on the porch under the carport, and he's going to take the front 2 tires off and check the rotors. And after he sees what that is, I'm going to go to, someone will have to take me, but I'll go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or one of the places to get both new brake pads and rotors. Oh, I don't know how much it's going to cost me, but if I find the receipt from my last fiasco with the tires and oh my God, someone else is going to pay for it. Just saying, someone else is going to pay for the stuff I had to replace. There's no, it's just ridiculous. He said, but good news is, he said, my engine is fine. I got no codes showing on the little thing I got, which is awesome. Everything looks like it's running real good. And so he says the only thing he can see is it might be the front left tire rotor. He said the bad thing is if you have to change your brake pads and rotors, you usually do both of them at the same time because your car is gonna go to. He said he stepped on the brake and the car almost went off the road. He said so. If it goes to the right, it's your left tire, and that makes sense to me. So we're going to see. I'm leaving it alone until they get back from their little jaunt up to Gatlinburg or Pigeon Forge. And so we'll see then. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got for right now. So, but at least nothing's wrong with the computer part of the van. Whoop, whoop. So anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home. Whoop, whoop.